Welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to do our embark testing for Luna. She is almost 6 months old and we are going to be breeding her next year when she's about 1.5 years old. So she's gonna have some puppies. So if you're looking for any Goldendoodle puppies, let us know, subscribe to our channel, and we will be sure to let you know when her puppies are here. We're gonna document all of that stuff too. So if you're interested in any of that, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. So we're gonna do the embark testing as one of the testing to make sure that she's good to go. So if for some reason she fails anything of her testing, then we will not be breeding her. But that is our plan. And so we have the embark testing. This was $150 online. I think the original price was $200, but I got $50 off. I actually did the 23andMe testing, so that was really cool finding out all those different results. If you're like ever running out of like gift ideas, it's a really good gift to give. So anyways, let's get back to the embark testing. Let's see if little Luna girl will cooperate with us. So let's open up the box here. Ah! Okay, so let's see. Unleash your dog story. Welcome to the embark pack. We're getting ready to analyze your dog's DNA using our research-grade genotyping platform. It says get ready for unique insights that can bring you closer to your dog and help you give them the best care possible. Follow the steps below and get ready for your dog's report. Okay, so the first step is to activate. I'm gonna visit embarkvet.com/activate, and I'm gonna create an account and enter my dog's unique activation code. So, looks like the activation code is here. Okay, so step number 2, it says make sure it's been 30 minutes since your pup last ate. This little vial. And then here's like the code and everything. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I feel like a doctor, like I should be wearing latex gloves or something. Okay, so here's the little swabby wobby. Here we go. You can see that. And then looks like I just oh, so I just unscrew the top. This swab is like attached. Okay, so I'm going to put this in her mouth. Uh-oh, she was tripping over the cord. Okay, I'm gonna put this in her mouth for 30 to 60 seconds to fully soak the sponge in the lower cheek pouches. And then I'm gonna insert it, and then I'm gonna shake it 10 times. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to rumble? Okay, you gonna be my good girl? Okay, let's count. 1, 2. All right, maybe I should put on a timer. Okay, let's just do. Hold on. No. Come here. Come here, baby girl. All right. Come here. Oh, why are you being so fidgety? Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, that's been like about 20 seconds. Hope it's in the right area. This is not as easy as I thought it would be. Okay. Are you chewing? You're chewing, but are you slobbering? All right, there goes a minute or so. Are you completely absorbed? I feel like it's not wet enough. Come here. I need some more slobber. Give me some more slobber. Ah, feels pretty wet. Okay, now I'm gonna stick it in here and I'm gonna shake it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ooh, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh boy, all right. Hope I did this right. Put this inside of here. Take off the plastic. And then put it into here. And there we go. All done. High five. Good job. That was a good girl. I love you, Luna. I love you so much. Mwah. Say bye. That was her saying goodbye. Bye.